Nuh-uh. Now before you tell me, Teen Wealth, I don't have enough money to invest, go check out my side hustles videos right here for an easy $100. Hey guys, it's Teen Wealth here and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, subscribe because I post finance videos every single week. Good for you to educate yourself, and let's get right into it. If you work for a company that offers a retirement plan, make sure to check your paycheck and see if it's going towards your retirement fund. The company I work for just automatically puts all those funds into a retirement account, so I don't have to do it myself, and they'll even match it. The tax benefit of such an account basically puts money away over time, so it grows way more efficiently. This is a great way to start investing with $100 or less because it actually comes out of your paycheck and you never see that money. For US citizens, you'll have something called a 401k or a Roth IRA, or if you're in Canada, you can either go with an RRSP or a TFSA. As for which one to go for, an RRSP would be good if you know that in the future you're going to be making less money because the money you put into an RRSP is before you get taxed on it. So when you actually take it out, it will be taxed. However, what happens is you're able to actually delay this tax for when you get into a lower tax income bracket, so you end up paying less money. However, if you think that you're going to be earning a lot more money when you're older and in your retirement, you might want to go with a TFSA, which is a tax-free savings account, where essentially the money you put in is after you get taxed on it. So this would be ideal if you think that you're going to be making a lot more money in the future. One of the best ways for cheap and accessible investing is fractional shares. Now, this applies for individual stocks and also index funds such as the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones market. And as for fractional investing, it is sort of what it sounds like. You can buy portions of a stock or even a fund, and this is good because you can actually get started early on because you don't need all that money. For example, if I wanted to buy the S&P 500 for $3,000, yikes, I don't have all this kind of money, so I can actually buy a portion of it, so 3%, and it would just be $30. Now, a good website that you can actually use is something called Stash. It allows you to invest in fractional shares of either index funds or also individual stocks, and you don't need to have an account minimum. In fact, you can even start investing with as little as 1 cent. And some other really good brokerages you can use to start investing in kind of fractional shares is TD Ameritrade, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab. And with all of these, you just need to sign up online and you can do it from the comfort of your own home. Next up is investing spare change. Now, you could do the classic penny jar where you put in like a penny or a dollar, especially every time you cuss. I heard someone do that before and I thought it was pretty funny. However, if you want to invest without thinking about it, you can actually use apps that round up the amount of money you spend. So let's say I spent $1.97. It would take the spare change, so that 3 cents, and then basically just compile all of it for me. An app that does this is Acorns. You can actually connect your debit cards, your credit cards, all of your different savings accounts, checking accounts. And like I said, when you make purchases, Acorns will round it to the nearest dollar and deposit the difference in an account, and then invest it in a portfolio that meets your goals and also your risk tolerance. And you might be thinking, oh, Teen Wealth, like if it's just the nearest dollar, that's not enough money that's getting invested. Well, you can actually set it to 2 times or more. And there also is no account minimum, so you don't have to keep a certain amount in your account. So essentially, having Acorns is free. And it's even possible to make regular money transfers from money in your bank account to your Acorns account, which is super cool. As your finances improve and you watch your money grow, you can actually increase the amount of money you set aside and then watch your account grow. Whether you invest in fractional shares or the full share, you can actually take advantage of dividends to help you grow your portfolio, even if you only have $100 to invest right now. So essentially, when you invest in dividend investments, you receive a portion of profits based on how many shares you own. So you won't get super big payouts at first, but as you buy more dividend paying assets consistently, you'll have more and more shares and your dividends will get bigger. That being said, most brokers actually offer automatic dividend reinvestment without charging you extra fees for the service. So it's kind of like reinvesting. You take that profit and then you buy more dividends, and it's like a snowball effect. Okay, now closing thoughts. Even though you did start investing with $100 or less, it's important to realize that you're going to have to eventually invest more money. Putting in $100 won't help you adequately grow or build wealth or even fund your retirement. Even putting $100 a month into an investment account won't help you meet all your needs, especially in the future if you want to work towards financial freedom. As you A, earn steadier income, and also B, earn more money, make sure to contribute more and put more money into your investment accounts. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe as I post finance videos every single week, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.